Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. You can see I'm in a very good mood. I'm in a very bright mood. I hope all is well with you too. I hope everybody is good. Actually today I just want to bring our attention, like I always say, it's always a mix here, to something. The song I was actually listening to, Davido's song. It's been around for a long time. I know it's an old song, but I love the song. I love it. And I love all Davido's song. I love everything about it. I love his creativity. I admire his charisma, because you don't get to come out from a wealthy home and just be that trying to work some things out for yourself. Many people will just relax and be like, oh, my dad has got some money, so I can just take it easy. But he's doing well, he's making us proud, and we're proud of him. But what really drew my attention to this particular song is a part that I'm going to play for you, because, I'm a Yoruba anime, and I'm all about the Yoruba language, getting to the right channel, people listening to it the right way, in my own little way. So let me see if I can still get to that song again, so that we can now talk about the song and get to the part where I want to bring your attention to. So listen now. Yeah, that's the part. He said, Kulu sọ ewé, àgbààgbà ewé, lọ́ṣùn fi ń wẹ̀ ọmọ rẹ̀ kí dókítà ó tó dé. Well, it's a good rhythm, it's a good rhyme for the song, but tabani ká sọ Yoruba, it is totally wrong. Line here, that particular line, is totally wrong. Àwọn ọlọ́ṣun, okay, bóyá kí n kọ́kọ́ ṣàlàyé Ọ̀ṣun. Ọ̀ṣun is one of the deities táwọn Yorùbá máa ń bọ̀, tán máa ń sìn. Àwọn òrìṣà táwọn Yorùbá ń sìn, tó ní kálukú ní. Àwọn ará Òṣogbo ló ń bọ Ọ̀ṣun Òṣogbo. And àwọn náà máa ń kọ orin yìí. And èmi ti gbé l'Òṣogbo ń sìn. I've lived in Òṣogbo before, I still have parents there, I still have my family there. In fact, Òṣogbo is still my base. So I've been there for over 25 years, comfortably. And even when I live wherever I am now, tí n bá padà sí Naija, Òṣogbo náà ni màá lọ, because our parents mi wà ńbẹ̀. So I know the roots of ká mọ̀ nípa orin tó ń kọ àbí ìṣesí àwọn ọlọ́ṣun. So orin yẹn wọ́n máa fi ń kọ dáadáa lóòótọ́ tán bá ń ṣe ọdún Ọ̀ṣun, but nǹkan tó ń sọ níbẹ̀ òun kọ́ ni wọ́n sọ nínú orin yẹn. And kò dẹ̀ ní dá tá àwọn èèyàn tá bá mọ èyí tó jẹ́ the correct one, táwọn ọmọ wa wá ń kọ this wrong one. Èmi ò sọ pé Davido ò ṣe dáa o. It's good. He tried to put our cultural phrase sínú orin, but this one was wrong, and he can still correct it. It's a big deal. But I'm just trying to put the correct one out there. So the correct one is actually ṣẹlẹ̀rú àgbo, àgbàrá àgbo, lọ́ṣùn fi ń wẹ̀ ọmọ rẹ̀ kí dókítà ó tó dé. Please listen to this song again, because if you don't listen to it, you may not get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it is not Kulu sọ ewé, àgbààgbà ewé. It is ṣẹlẹ̀rú àgbo, àgbàrá àgbo, and I will explain it. Ọ̀ṣun ó jẹ́ òrìṣà tó ṣe pé omi ni. omi náà fi ń bọ̀. Tí èèyàn bá fẹ́ lọ sọ́dọ̀ Ọ̀ṣun, tí wọ́n bá ń wá nǹkan lọ́dọ̀ Ọ̀ṣun, Ọ̀ṣun á sọ pé kán bu omi Ọ̀ṣun tàbí kán ṣe àgbo. So kò sí nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ bíi secret àbí tó pamọ́ lọ́rọ̀ Ọ̀ṣun tó yàtọ̀ sí wípé Ọ̀ṣun is such a lovely goddess that omi ló fi ń ṣe ìwòsàn. Meanwhile, tá bá ní ká wo àlàyé orin yẹn, ṣẹlẹ̀rú, omi tó sun láti ilẹ̀, omi tó wà ní bóyá bíi swampy place tómi yẹn kàn ń yọ láti ilẹ̀, ìyẹn náà ń pè ní ṣẹlẹ̀rú. Then àgbàrá is also omi tó ń ṣàn. So when water flows, òun ni àgbàrá. When it comes out from the soil by itself, ìyẹn náà ń pè ní ṣẹlẹ̀rú. So àwọn ọlọ́ṣun máa fi ń yin Ọ̀ṣun wípé ṣẹlẹ̀rú àgbo, àgbàrá àgbo, lọ́ṣun fi ń wẹ̀ ọmọ rẹ̀ kí dókítà ó tó dé. So they're trying to say that before the advent of Western education, before doctors came, before people started using other drugs, that Ọ̀ṣun ó máa ń wo àwọn èèyàn sàn pẹ̀lú omi àti àgbo. That is water and concussion. That means before the advent of Western education, civilization, that this particular goddess healed people with water and concussions. So that's what they meant. So I would just, it doesn't stop my love for Davido. It doesn't stop me from liking his music. But I just want to make this clear to everybody so that everybody will know that when they are listening to it, this is the right thing. It's not that he didn't do it well, but he said the wrong words. So if you get to him, yeah, maybe you would. He doesn't have to change anything now. The song is already out. But the knowledge is ṣẹlẹ̀rú àgbo, àgbàrá àgbo, lọ́ṣun fi ń wọ ọmọ rẹ̀ kí dókítà ó tó dé. Kì í ṣe kúlú sọ èwe. There is absolutely nothing like kúlú sọ èwe in Yoruba land. Kúlú sọ is an insect tó ṣe wípé ó máa ń fẹ̀yìn rìn báyìí. He's always reversing and he bores hole in the ground. Ó máa ń wúlẹ̀, ó máa ń wúlẹ̀. So tó bá ti wúlẹ̀, you will just see the round hole. So if you look inside that hole, you will see it. So àwọn ìyẹn ló ń jẹ́ kúlú sọ. And kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ kúlú sọ èwe. Nobody will want to put kúlú sọ on his body. Kò sẹ́ni tó gbọ́dọ̀, as if you want to give your child an infection, you don't put kúlú sọ on your child's body. So I just want to put that out, and I hope you like my video. I hope you like my explanation. If you need more explanation or if you want to tell me more, feel free to comment and tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.